It's a defect in the heart where the oxygenated blood and the unoxygenated blood mix. And I used to have to go to Kansas University Medical Center every other year, and then it went to every year because the condition was getting worse.
Mm.
And the heart murmur, they said, hey, because of this heart murmur, there's certain things you shouldn't do, certain exercise, certain work, and I'm gonna be transparent for everyone listening. I loved that heart murmur. Listen to what I said.
You weren't allowed to do the dishes. I mean,
Like a lot of outside work, a lot of stuff.